Alright, welcome to the next part of this school modeling series. In this part, we are going to add a few details here and there. Then we'll go ahead to model the trees and maybe the fence. But for now, I do not really know. But let's just look and see how things go. So I'm going to start with a cube. Let's be in the wireframe mode. Alright, so be in the front view, then move this cube towards the X direction. Alright, then I will scale this towards the Z direction. Something like this. Then let me look at it from the solid view. Alright, then I might, let me scale this way. Scale it this way, make it a bit little. Alright, something like this is fine. Let me move it towards the Y axis. Something like this. So we are going to duplicate this and move it to the other edges of the building. Hold Shift and select everything. Then Shift D to duplicate, then remove. Just move it. Alright, so let's just keep adding some few details to redefine the school. So I'll be in the face selection mode. Select this face. Select this face. Now let's add the floor. Alright, let's make some trees. So let's start with some trees. So I'll bring a cube, move it out, scale the cube to your appropriate size and move it. So this thing right here, this and this, the fields, garden, let's call it gardens, so that the little gardens in the school environment. So let's plant some trees, So I would start with a cube to make the tree. So I'm going to scale it a bit, something like this. Let me look at it from the top and bring it inside to the center, something like this. Then move it towards the Y direction. I think let me scale it a bit like this, and what I can do is to scale it towards this direction like this. I think this is fine. Let me bring it down a bit. So I'll take it down like this. So now let's be in the isolation mode. Then this side here, let me see what I can do. I think I can delete this face. Let me delete this face. Maybe should I delete the face? All right, no, let's add loop cuts. Let's add a loop cut here. Yes, bevel it, something like this. Add another loop cut here, bevel it, something like this. Then select this face, just click on E and extrude it like this. Alright, something like this. It's going to be a stylized tree. So now go to the front. Sorry, not the front, the top view. Then be in the vertex selection mode. Let's select these vertices and match them at center. Select this M to match at center. Then GZ to take it up like this. Or maybe no. Let's do this. Let's select all the faces. Be in the face selection mode. Select all the faces, then X to delete faces. Alright, be in the vertex selection mode. Select this vertex. Select this. Select this. Select this. Then merge at center. Let's see what we have here. This is not what we want. So let's go back. Select all the vertices up like this. Then M to match at center. Now we forgot this side of the vertices. Alright, so select all the vertices up, M to match at center. Alright, something like this is fine. So the next thing, be in the edge selection mode and select these 4 edges. Select this one, select this one, select this, and then select this. Then you are going to bevel. Let's be sure that all these sides are selected. Alright, all the sides are selected. Let's select this side as well. Alright, so Control B to bevel. Alright, something like this is fine. The next thing we are going to do is to duplicate this. I'm going to duplicate it. Let's be in the isolation mode. So Shift D to duplicate. Move it up. Like this. Shift D duplicate, move it up like this. Shift D. So when we duplicate and move it up, we scale it. Scale it. Scale this one. The one up should be smaller than the one that is below. So we are going to repeat this. Just keep repeating this. All right. Let's be in the edit mode, then be in the wireframe mode. I think I'm going to delete some unwanted faces here. I don't know if I delete it, it's going to scatter the image. Let's start from the first one and see how this gonna be like. So let me select this one first. Go to edit mode, then be in the first selection mode. Select these faces. Let me see if I delete this, it's gonna mess things up because we do not want to have unnecessary faces in our scene. To X to delete. All right. Okay, it's not messing things up. So you'll be deleting unnecessary faces. Let's see if we can dissolve these edges. X to dissolve. All right. We'll be dissolving unnecessary edges. Always save your work. Ctrl S to save. All right, so now we are going to add a fence to this school. Let's surround the school with a fence. All right, so let me select this floor, then go to edit mode and edge selection mode. Select this and move it out a bit, something like this. Then select this. Go to edit mode, be in the first selection mode, select these faces and move them out a bit. Something like this. Alright, since something like this is fine, then we are going to raise a pillar here. Let's select this floor, go to edit mode and add a loop cut. Bring it here like this. Alright, then add another loop cut here. Bevel it. Something like this. Alright, I don't know. I think. Alright, so I'm going to select this, be in the face selection mode, select this face here, then Shift D to duplicate, and P to separate, then go to object mode, select this one, and go back to edit mode. In edit mode, select it, extrude it like this. Let's look at it from the side view. It should not be this tall. It should be something like this. And then I think it's too. Let's scale it a bit like this. Move it. Alright, so let's always delete the unwanted faces. So we'll select this face here and X to delete faces. Then what we can do, select this one here, extrude and scale like this. Extrude like this, scale like this, extrude like this, scale, extrude and scale, scale, then extrude again like this, something like this. Alright, so now what we are going to do is to bevel the edges. To be in the edge selection mode, hold Shift and Alt, and select edges. All these edges we are going to bevel. Hold Shift and Alt, select them. Make sure all the edges are selected, then Ctrl B to bevel. Something like this is fine. So the next thing, I think let's just do this beveling again. Ctrl B, bevel like this. Alright. Alright, the next thing we are going to do is let's see. Let's bring it in. From the wireframe mode, let's see. We can equally scale it a bit. move it. Now let's add a plane and make some bars to our fence. Alright, so bring it forward something like this. Then scale it like this. I'll look at it from the side view like this. Turn on the wireframe and bring it down. Something like this. Let's look at it from this side. And this, move it towards the the X direction. Something like this. Scale it. Alright, so I will scale it down. Alright, something like this. So the next thing I will do is to go to edit mode, then extrude it towards the Y axis. Something like this. Alright, then move it. Something like this. Alright. Then the next thing I'm going to do, let me be in the isolation mode. Go to edit mode, then add loop cuts. Or add some loop cuts like this. Should not be much. Some loop cuts like this. Then Ctrl B to bevel. Ctrl B to bevel like this. Alright, then I will select the top faces. Being the first selection, we'll select the top faces, hold shift and select them. Then let's look at it and know the ones to extrude and the ones not to extrude. Alright, so let's see. Alright, that means we are going to extrude everything. Being the solid view mode and if to extrude like this. E to extrude like this. Then being the wireframe mode, select, okay, let's be in the solid view, select, go to object mode, select this pillar, go to isolation mode. Now let's look at this. We are going to delete this and this. Being the wireframe mode, delete this one, say X, so delete, this. Alright, so now that you have done that, let's look at it. You have deleted that. I think something is still there. Let's see. Alright, see what was there. So this, we are going to select this and delete. Alright, so the next thing we are going to do, we are going to fill up this face. No need filling up the faces. So the next thing we are going to do is to select these faces. Being the face selection mode, select these faces, control, select this side. Alright, so now what you are going to do is you are going to separate this, D to duplicate, and P to separate. Alright, so you are going to now go to this object mode, select this one and be in the edit mode. Select this, control, select the last one, then move it up. Move it up like this. Then while doing that, let's select this, go to edit mode. You want to delete all the faces here. Remember, we do not need unnecessary faces, so delete all these faces. Go to object mode, select this one and go back to edit mode. In edit mode, we are going to select this, select everything and extrude something like this. Now let's select this, be in edit mode, bring it out. We want to delete all these faces here. Be in the face selection mode, select all these faces here. We do not want them. Let's turn on the wireframe mode so that we can see. Alright, then X to delete faces. Alright, that being done, let's look at it. So we are going to take this, isolate it, edit mode, select this face here. Be in the face selection mode, select this face, delete it, then select this face and delete it. So now let's go to this, all this, bring it down. Look at it from the wire frame. Bring it down. Alright, so now guys, I think we are almost through with the fence. So this here, we are going to scale it all these axes like this. Let's look at it from the top view so that we know what we are doing. We are going to scale it like this. Alright, then move it back. Alright, so guys, we are almost through with our fence. So now let's select this, Alt Shift select this, and Alt D to duplicate, then move it towards this axis like this. Then RZ to rotate at 90. Alright, then move it towards the X axis. Something like this. Alright. Now let's look at it from the side view like this. I'm going to move it a bit. We are moving it a bit somewhere here is fine. I think, and let's look at it like this from this side. Move it like this. Alright, then let's move it a bit somewhere here, and we should be at the center. I think somewhere here is fine. Then Alt D, move it again somewhere here. Alright, it's fine. Alright, so you are going to duplicate this and Alt D, move it towards the X axis, somewhere like this. Alright, so the next thing we are going to do here is, I think let's move this our garden a bit in this direction. Somewhere here should be here. Our garden should be somewhere here. Should be here. Then move this inward. Nice. Select this. Alright, let's look at our building. So we take this here, and let's see if we can. Let's start from this. Select this, Shift D, then R90 Z. Move it towards. Alright, that's not it. So what you are going to do is to duplicate Shift D, RZ90 to rotate it, then move it. Let's look at it from the top view. Move it in this direction like this, then move it in this direction, somewhere like this. So I'm just thinking, if okay, we are going to scale this. Let's scale this like this and move it in. Alright, something like this is fine. Then this, let's go to edit mode and extrude this. It's time to extrude this. Let's be in the edge selection mode. Select this edge. Select this. Select this. Then extrude. Alright. So now we are going to take this one here, Shift D to duplicate, and RS90 to move towards that direction. Then bring it here, move it this way. Alright, let's scale it. Let's be in the isolation mode. Select this, scale it, and move it towards this direction. Alright, let's see, from the wireframe mode we can bring this down a bit. Look at it from this, then move it. Alright, so that's that for this. So we are going to select this, and Shift D, move it along this direction. Somewhere like this. As you can see, I'm going to scale it. Alright. All right, let's see what we got here. I think this got to be inside these pillars. This got to be inside the pillars. All right, so the next thing, I'm going to select this, look at it from this angle. Or before that, it was, look, this pillar is not in the center of this, so we are going to select this, and push it in a bit. Like this. All right, so now let's select this. Shift D, then move it towards this direction like this. Then select these pillars. Move them inwards. All right. So guys, I think, what else do you think we should add to this school environment? What should we add here? Alright, we are going to add some more details here, but let's end the video here for now. If you enjoyed the video, would like for you to... Alright, sorry, we forgot to do same for this side. Let's select this, shift this to duplicate and move it. Sorry, that was an oversight. We forgot to do this for this side too. So what we are going to do here now, as you can see, we are going to flip this to make sure that this side comes to this side. Alright. So now we are going to select them as the 180 to flip it over. Alright, let's look at it from the front view, and let's move it this way, move it this way like this, scale it a bit like this. Alright, let's look at it from the top view and move it towards the Y direction to make sure it is in the center of the pillar. Alright, something like this. Alright, this is fine. So guys, we are going to end this video here for now. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumb up and also share this video to your friends, and let us know if you would like us to texture this school. If you'd like us to texture this school, comment there in the comment section. And also, if you are new to the channel, kindly hit that subscription button, then turn on the notification bell. I think we are in the next part, we are going to still add more details to this school, like the school flag and the rest of the thing. We are going to beautify our garden the more. So guys, see you in the next one. Goodbye.